To buy an ETF on Webull. Start by opening the Webull app and logging into your account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by providing some personal and financial information. Once you are logged in, navigate to the search bar at the top of the screen and type in the ticker symbol of the ETF you want to buy. You can also browse through the various categories of ETFs, such as index funds, sector funds, or commodity funds, to find the one that suits your investment goals. When you find the ETF you want to buy, click on it to view its details page. This page will provide you with information about the ETF's performance, holdings, and fees. Next, click on the Trade button at the bottom of the screen to open the order page. Here, you will need to specify the number of shares you want to buy and the type of order you want to place. You can choose from a market order, which will execute the trade at the current market price, or a limit order, which will execute the trade at a specific price you set. You will also need to specify the amount of money you want to invest in the ETF. You can do this by entering the dollar amount or the number of shares you want to buy. Once you have entered all the necessary information, review your order carefully to make sure everything is correct. Finally, click on the Confirm button to submit your order. Your trade will be executed, and the ETF will be added to your portfolio. You can then monitor its performance and make any necessary adjustments to your investment strategy. It is also important to keep in mind some key concepts and best practices when buying ETFs on Webull. Make sure to do your research and choose an ETF that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. It is also important to diversify your portfolio by investing in a variety of assets to minimize risk. Additionally, be aware of the fees associated with buying and holding ETFs, as these can eat into your returns over time. Finally, consider setting a budget and sticking to it to avoid overinvesting in any one particular ETF or asset class. By following these steps and keeping these concepts in mind, you can successfully buy an ETF on Webull and start building a diversified investment portfolio.